Hello and welcome to another Gap Solutions product showcase. Today we'll be looking at a new product. It's a high weight capacity pre-packed station packing meat, fruit, vegetables and other products. It consists of a waterproof 30 kilogram scale platform attached to a waterproof and corrosion resistant stainless steel touchscreen. It is using the Ezi Scale software, so it contains a number of pages of preset products which can be pre-programmed and set on any one of 10 pages, as well as a number of products set on the main screen for common use. To use it, it's simply a matter of selecting a product, placing a weight on the scale, pressing the print button, and the label will be issued. Thank you for watching another Gap Solutions product showcase video.